I think that not being able to maintain proper circulation using the techniques we've had up to this point has been a key element of why patients do not survive codes.
Give him a couple breaths and we'll sit him up.
I need to strip him down.
Okay, get the board.
Okay, let's get him down. Watch his head.
His head.
I'll get the defib pads. Charging.
Without being able to maintain circulation, you can shock and shock and shock, and it just simply does not work.
No shock advised. Check pulse.
Pulse.
And no pulse.
Let's start CPR.
Yeah.
Some of the old principles still apply. The airway, breathing, circulation, mnemonic that we've all grown up on still applies. The drugs have all been standardized. The airway size and approach to the airway has all been standardized. But the last piece of that puzzle was the standardization of the circulation, of the chest compression.
Hey guys, what do you have? 62-year-old male witnessed cardiac arrest by his wife, called 911.
All tissues in the body are dependent on delivery of oxygen through blood circulation. The brain and the heart are among the two organs that depend on that most heavily. In a cardiac arrest, two areas that are frequently damaged are the brain as well as the heart. The AUTOPULSE works better than CPR even by a skilled person because of its design, and this has been corroborated by studies. It can be done automatically, obviously, by the device itself, freeing the attention and hands of the paramedics to do other things. It provides more of a artificial blood pressure, if you will, to continue to supply circulation and thereby oxygen to the brain cells.
Good radials.
Use of the AUTOPULSE device, I believe, enhances brain circulation and minimizes brain injury during cardiac arrest and lack of circulation. By preserving brain function, the patient is able to recover much more quickly and much more completely.
Everything we do right now is based on our two hands in manual CPR. But with the circulatory rates and the perfusions that the AUTOPULSE delivers, we will change everything we do in EMS when we treat cardiac arrest patients, because we'll rewrite the book on resuscitation. I firmly believe that. I've been a paramedic for over 20 years, and I've never seen a device that does what the AUTOPULSE does.
You okay?
It would be a quantum leap, I think, into the technological future to be now able to provide the chest compression with the AUTOPULSE. It does work. I've seen it work. Mr. Motes would tell you it works. If I were asked by the Budget Committee about a device to take our response team to the 21st century, when we were asked to respond to codes either in the emergency department or on the floor, I would definitely recommend the AUTOPULSE.